Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an email template in Brevo step by step. Email templates help you design professional emails that you can reuse for newsletters, campaigns, or automated messages. Let's get started. Brevo allows you to create and save email templates so you don't have to design emails from scratch every time. Here's how to create one. Step 1. Log in to Brevo. Go to the Brevo website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Step 2. Go to the Templates section. On the left sidebar, look for the Campaigns section. Click on Templates. This is where all your email templates are stored. Step 3. Create a new template. Click the Create a Template button. You will see different options such as Drag and Drop Editor, Rich Text Editor, and HTML Editor. If you're a beginner, choose the Drag and Drop Editor because it's the easiest to use. Step 4. Choose a layout or start blank. Brevo may show several pre-designed layouts. You can select one of these templates or start with a blank design. Choose the one that fits your email style. Step 5. Customize the email design. Now you can design your email by adding different elements such as text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and social media icons. Simply drag these elements into the email layout. Edit the text and replace images with your own content. Step 7. Add personalization. You can also add personalization fields such as the subscriber's name. For example, you can insert a contact attribute like first name. This makes your emails feel more personal. Step 8. Save the template. Once your design is complete, click Save. Give your template a clear name so you can easily find it later. Step 9. Use the template in campaigns. When creating a new email campaign, you can select this template instead of designing a new email. This saves time and keeps your emails consistent. And that's it. That's how you create an email template in Brevo step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical email marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.